Well, here's our grocery haul, and I'm going to make some Verde chicken, and I'm going to use a green tomatillo sauce or a Verde sauce. Sorry if I'm offending my Hispanic friends by talking wrong, but there's our haul. And here I am taking the garlic. I'm going to roast the garlic and the tomatillos. I'm also going to make some of my avocado corn salsa. I'll try to put the recipe for these down below because I'm not good at it. I added the black olives, and this is a pretty simple recipe. The black olives, corn, the red you're seeing are bell peppers, chopped up half an onion, and then I'm going to throw 5 cloves of garlic in there as well. So that's all going into the corn salsa. And this stuff is so good. 3 tablespoons of avocado oil, apple cider vinegar. Throw in some avocado oil. Here is the tomatillos being roasted. They weren't quite done yet. Now I'm going to mince my garlic and get that ready to go in with the corn salsa. And the family loves this stuff. And a trick with garlic: mince it and let it sit for 10 minutes, and that activates the antioxidants in there, that acin. It does a much better job. Now, I use avocado oil because it's a neutral oil, and those limes, that lime juice is going to go in there. Some oregano, black pepper, pinch of sea salt, and 4 avocados. A trick my sister told me was put a couple of pits in that, and it keeps the avocados from turning brown, oxidizing, and sure enough, it works. And so now, as one of my favorite TikTokers says, mixy mixy. And so Jessica is doing that, and then we throw in some fresh cilantro as well, and the lime juice. Now Jessica is getting ready to make the Verde sauce. So she has done the onion. She puts in a couple tomatillos, runs it through the mixer, and then we're going to pour all that in on the chicken. I love an Instapot. Instapots are the best. You can take frozen chicken and be done in like 10, 15 minutes. By the time it depressurizes, you're looking at maybe 25 to 30. And it just does a fabulous job. I actually should have probably cubed the chicken. I threw in some turkey bone broth. I should have cubed the chicken so that flavor would sink in more. Jessica stole some of the Verde sauce and absolutely loves it. Give us the thumbs up because it's great. I'm going to make some mayo. I love making mayo. Super easy. 1 egg, the juice of 1 lemon, half or 3/4 of a cup of oil. Throw it in the emulsion blender, pull it out a little bit at a time. I put a dab of mustard in there. This one was a little thin. If your oil comes out, or if your mayo comes out thin, just add a little more oil. Oh, now the San Diego fish sauce. So that's half a cup of Greek yogurt, half a cup of mayo, a bunch of capers. Here are the seasonings going in: cumin, coriander, dill. I didn't see the first one. And you mix all that in there and then add the capers. I put the capers in a mortar and pestle. The chicken, as you can see, comes out just easy to shred. And that's what the Instapot does for you. It'll take frozen ribs and take them to pull out, or the bone will come out in like 30 minutes from frozen. But you can see how easy. I'm holding the phone with one hand and I'm using a fork with the other to actually shred the chicken. And it does a fabulous job. I love my Instapot. And now what's going to happen is I'm going to actually add that back in there and just let that soak up all that juice. And then we're going to sit down and eat here in a second. I've been snacking on some dilled carrots. That's the San Diego fish sauce. I got some tortillas to make some tacos. I was not a fan of the tortillas. I ended up just making a salad, but here's the fish sauce. So I put a little bit of the fish sauce in there. Chicken on top of that. And as I throw that chicken on top of that, I'm going to add some of the corn, the avocado corn salsa on there. And of course, I will throw some of the pickled onions. We love pickled onions. Throw some of those pickled onions on there. These things are always good. After I ate the one taco, I tried it. I just made a salad out of it. I don't need a shell. Those shells suck. I don't like them. I'm gonna throw some black beans. Jess and Gracie both wanted black beans in the avocado salsa. I'm not a fan, but however you like it, enjoy it, do it the way you want to do it. And here I still can't make up my mind as to what I want to do, and I am giving a warning about something. I have no idea what I'm talking about there. We did this a little bit ago, and I know what I'm talking about there. I'm talking about if you want to live well, the 3 macros that we have are fats, proteins, and carbs. If you want to live, you have to have the fats and the protein. If you want to live well, you need the fats, you need the protein, and you need colorful, fibrous carbs. And with that said, I will try to attach the recipe for those things down below, and enjoy.